Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify build a sales enablement app using Highspot no-code workflows detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Highspot account. If you don't have an account, visit the Highspot website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Workflows tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Workflows tab to explore your options. Select the option to create a new workflow. You will be taken to the workflow creation interface. Begin by naming your workflow at the top of the page. Add a brief description to clarify the purpose of your workflow. Choose a template that fits your sales enablement goals. If you don't find a suitable template, start from scratch. Next, drag and drop elements to your workflow area. Common elements include tasks, approvals, and notifications. Click on each element to configure its settings. For tasks, specify the actions that need to be completed. Set deadlines for each task to maintain accountability. Adjust the notification settings to inform team members of updates. Link related documents and resources within the workflow. This provides easy access to essential materials during the sales process. Once you've configured all elements, review your workflow for any errors. Make sure the sequence of tasks is logical and efficient. If satisfied, click the Save button to finalize your workflow. Now it's time to test your workflow. Conduct a trial run using sample data or scenarios. This helps to identify any issues before full deployment. Make necessary adjustments based on feedback from the test run. After finalizing your changes, publish the workflow. Communicate the rollout to your sales team effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.